Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove wall adhesive from your painted wall. Now for this job we'll be using a dry rag. I don't like to get it wet because that actually removes the paint from your wall. The first thing I'm going to do is go through and see if there's anything I can get off with my fingers. Kind of pull it a little bit. Get everything you can off with your fingers. Now I'm going to take my rag, my finger in there, just start to scrape it off. You want to apply a little bit of pressure, not too much pressure. If you apply too much pressure, you're going to end up stripping the paint off your wall. Now if you do have a little bit of paint that comes off, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Just get a little bit of touch-up paint on there, be as good as new. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.